Hi Bullies, welcome to Community Living with your girl Malebo. If you're new to the channel, please remember to subscribe, and if you're stopping back by and just continuously supporting the channel, you know the jingle by now, so sing along with me. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I'm in the car and I'm definitely trying to record this video for you guys because hey, I've been slacking when it comes to YouTube, so please do forgive me. There's a lot on my plate, but I'm definitely going to be doing better. Promise, I'm going to start every session in prayer. We'll then start with today's episode, how I was able to make over 55,000 in less than 4 months. So pretty awesome stuff. Taking you guys through the platforms that I was using, what platform it is, how much I made, which category does it fall under, what activities that I actually have to perform. Some of them will be like less than a minute in terms of the explanation, and the ones where we start seeing a bit of ching ching, then we'll definitely go into details. But before we start, let us start off in prayer. Let's bow our heads, close our eyes, just revere God in whatever way possible. Father, we come to you in the mighty name of our Lord Jesus Christ. We thank you, Father, for this day. We thank you for the person that is watching. We thank you for this platform as well, and we just ask, Father, as we're about to have this session, may it be value adding unto the person that is watching it, and we just ask that you continue to bless them in their walk with you and show them that you love them, O Lord, Father. In the mighty name of our Lord Jesus Christ, we thank you. Amen. And wrap it up later on. Hi Louise, as mentioned, I'll be taking you guys through how I've been able to make money online, and this is basically the spreadsheet that looks into all the platforms that I've used, how much money I've made, the type of activities that I get to, and the status of whether or not I'm still basically busy with it or what is the case. So I will be taking you guys through the spreadsheet from the least amount of money that I've made on a platform to the highest amount of money. Obviously in the 2 seconds you guys are able to see every single platform, but I think it'll be of interest as to how these platforms work and what I've been up to on these type of platforms. So the first one is LifePoint. I think LifePoint was one of the very first ones that I joined, and you get to do surveys. So on LifePoints, the surveys that you're doing, you get points, maybe 1,000 points, 750 points, 500 points, and so forth. And you can redeem those points for vouchers. So it could be a Take-A-Lot voucher, a ShopRite voucher, or PayPal voucher. So I waited to make about 11,000 points, and those 11,000 points were redeemed for a $5 PayPal voucher. And $5 gives you about 75 rand in South African rand. And the activity that I was busy with was surveys. They do not have an affiliate program, and the status is that it's operational, but it doesn't necessarily mean I'm using it anymore, because as you can see, you have to be very busy with surveys, and for me they are not the highest earners in terms of surveys. So that's why I've decided that I'm going to pause it a bit when it comes to LifePoint. But yeah, that's what I did. The second least one is a Pro Affiliate. I've recently just joined Pro Affiliate as an affiliate marketer, and that is the only thing that you are doing on Pro Affiliate. There are currently 2 affiliate programs that I'm part of. One is to promote Pro Affiliate. The second one is to promote Sage Accounting. So the one for Pro Affiliate is click per sale. So every time someone purchases the Pro Affiliate package, then I receive about half of what they pay, which is about $32. And then for this one, which is the Sage Accounting, is click per lead. Every time someone starts a a trial for Sage Accounting, then I will be also receiving some fee from it. So I've only received on the Pro Affiliate site and not necessarily on the Sage Accounting. Then the third one is BookBold. So I will be promoting BookBold very soon, as I am working on my low content book. BookBold basically helps people to be able to ensure that they have an understanding of how to make sales when it comes to low content books. It gives you an overview of other low content books that are out there, and I will basically be showing you guys how you can use BookBolt very soon, as I've mentioned. But if you are way ahead of the pack and you already have your book, but now you want to upload it on Amazon KTP and you want to use BookBolt, I do have a discount code called Community Living. So you use the name of the channel and you will receive a 20% off whatever purchase that you make on BookBolt, right? So it is a click per sale as well. When someone buys the package for using BookBolt, then I get a 25% on it. So there's been 3 sales so far, hence I have $7.5, right? Which equates to about 112 rands, and that is part of the affiliate marketing, still very much operational, still going to be very much promoted. And then I have a pen as well, which is, for me, has only been for data collection, but it also has an affiliate program, but I haven't made anything on the affiliate program. My people need to do quite a lot of things. The people that registered under my name anyways, or using my link, need to do quite a lot, so I don't even count the affiliate program. Then I've made about $7.5. A lot of it was charged by transactional fees because you need Pioneer to receive your payments. So yeah, that's the only amount that I've made. I could have made more, but I was busy doing affiliate marketing than working on the actual task. So yeah, then the 5th one is M4Gem. M4Gem is a site that allows you to do missions. Missions could be auditing, referrals, mystery shopper, so many things. I'm starting to very much like M4Gem. It's starting to be my go-to type of mission platform. I used to love Field Agent, but now there aren't that many tasks on Field Agent for me. I've made a total of $390. You guys can see the different currencies here. So for the ones that I'm making in like a different currency, I've placed the currency that I made the money in, and also where you see the amount, this is definitely this is the amount in relation to the currency, and then the ZAR amount in relation to the exchange rate. So some of it is an overestimate, some is an underestimate, but I've tried to use an underestimate so that it doesn't give an image that's not true. So then with Price Rebel, it's a survey platform. I'm going to try and go as quickly as I can for some of them. It's only been affiliate marketing and surveys. I don't know why this thing wasn't. Oh, it's 150. This one, I think I updated it later on. Yeah, I know what happened there. So I made more money and added it to this thing. So the filter wasn't the filter was done before I updated this one, because I'm thinking like, why is there 390 and then 150? So yeah, never mind that. So this one is supposed to be somewhere here. So yeah, my spreadsheet is all over the place. Then with Price Rebel, it's affiliate marketing and surveys. For some other reason, I haven't understood how to use Price Rebel. So most of it is from the commission that I get from affiliate marketing. So some people are able to understand how to use the surveys there, because yeah, every single time I log on to Price Rebel, I'm just like, what do you do? What's going on? Then the 7th one is Enlighten Panel. I very much love Enlighten Panel. It has the highest paying surveys in SA so far that I've seen. So I've made a total of about 150 on Enlighten Panel, and I've redeemed both, like the 150, one for a KFC voucher, the other for a Take-A-Lot voucher. So I'm going to try and make enough money to redeem it for NetBank money. I think that's going to be like actual money, and see how that works. And then for the 8th one, we are looking at affiliate.co.za. That is an affiliate network in SA. If you want to be an affiliate marketer, definitely do look into them. Just like Pro Affiliate as well, it's for SA, and you can join. This one has a sign-up fee, this one doesn't have a sign-up fee. And then you pay, I've made about 340. I've actually made more money, but yeah, updating this thing on a daily basis is not my forte. So I definitely have it on the affiliate marketing side. And the current affiliate program that has been making me money is the click to action. So whenever people click on a specific survey site and they perform an action after clicking on that, signing up on that survey site, then I get 5 rand for that specific promotion and stuff per person. And then Survey here is a survey site as well. I've made about 18 pounds, not actually USD or ZAR. I've made 18 pounds, which is about 360. So that takes me to affiliate marketing and surveys. I've done 1 or 2 surveys, but most of it has been from affiliate marketing. And I think, guys, it's going to be very evident how I make my money from these, that 90% of the things that I'm going to mention are related to affiliate marketing. And then it takes people to the whole, what is affiliate marketing? How do I join it? That I'm still working on putting something together. I don't want to put something together that relates only to my scenario, but everyone that is interested in affiliate marketing. So please be patient with me. I am still learning. I don't want to basically give you guys the wrong info. So yeah. And then for stock bucks, I've made about 25 euros affiliate marketing and surveys as well. For coaching, I've made about 830. Now it's 930. But as I've said, I don't update this thing on a regular basis, or I don't update it on a daily basis. The last time I properly updated it was Tuesday, right? And today's a Sunday. Then we have current, both affiliate marketing, charging, checking the phone on a daily basis, daily goals, listening to music. So there are quite a number of ways to make money on current, and I've made about 870. So the affiliate marketing is a click per lead. So every person that signs up using your affiliate link, then you get like 150 points, and then you get a commission as well. I think about 5% of their music, or 25%. I forgot exactly what the commission amount is. And then for Chip, I've done the missions. So yeah, so the I don't know why I'm saying cost and exchange rate here. Yeah, I've done the mission for Chip, 2 missions, and one was worth 800, the other was worth $100. And then for Prolific, I've done surveys, and this, as you can see, for all the survey sites that I've been speaking about, Prolific is the girl that she thinks she is. Definitely one of the best survey sites that we've seen so far, by far. So yeah. Then I'm still very much I'm operational, but I decided that since there are a lot more people and there are less surveys, I don't focus on it that much. I also don't promote it as much as well, because obviously people cannot join like as they could. You have to be sent to a waiting list. And then this field agent, I've made about 1,300 mission surveys and referrals. And then Super Pay Me, I've made about $98, which is about 1,500 for affiliate marketing surveys and offers. And then I am blocked on this one. I was also blocked on M4Jam. Actually, now the status has changed. They've renewed my status to operational. So yeah. And then with, sorry, where was I? Zip surveys. And then these yellow colors, this means that I haven't received it. Here I've received a part of it. I think I've received 10 pounds. 8 pounds I haven't yet received. I have to wait for the 10 pound mark. So the cash out threshold is 10 pounds. So the next 10 pounds, I'm still waiting for it. And then here the cash is still pending. I did do a withdrawal today, so the whole time it was on pending up until it was cleared. It was cleared for me to receive the payment. So now I've done the cash out, but I'm still waiting for the money in the bank, right? And I will definitely have like a separate episode on this, because it's very much interesting what happened. But yeah, I will definitely have a separate episode. So my IO, I've made about 1,700 from affiliate marketing and surveys. It's still operational. TGM, I've made about 1,800. Affiliate marketing, it's actually more than this. I've made about 150 now. So yeah. And then for Just Dice, I've made over 2.4. And also I've given my mom Just Dice. If it wasn't for that, I would have probably made about 3,000 something. And Sweatcoin, I've made 3,000 on affiliate marketing. So on Just Dice, it's from games and affiliate marketing. I don't play games that much, but it was to see whether or not I can get money from the games before I recommend it to others. So you can definitely get money from games, but you'll get a lot more money on the affiliate side. And for YSense, affiliate marketing and surveys. So I've been banned from doing surveys. That's why I'm like, it's partly blocked. Even with this one, it's partly blocked because Just Dice has 4 platforms. 2 of them no longer pay me. The other 2, they pay me on time. But I think they're a bit of slow earners at this point in time. I haven't been able to do that many withdrawals. But as I've said, I've given the new sign-ups to my mom. And then she's making money from it. And then for survey time, that is the big bad mama gemma. And it's actually more than this, so it's probably about 23, 24, because I've made about 1,518 now. I'll just show you guys the receipt or the screenshot. And even with YSense, it has increased by $8. So this thing is something that increases on a daily basis. So there is some form of passive income that's coming from it. So just be aware of that. Okay, so wasn't that fantastic? So hopefully by now you know all the platforms that help me make money. It doesn't necessarily mean that you're gonna make the same amount. You could be making more, you could be making less, and it really just depends on so many factors. But the fact is that you can definitely make money from these platforms that I've mentioned. So I really hope it gives you a better insight on how you can make money online. And if you have any questions, please drop a comment below. And if you want to see more of these type of videos where I'm taking you guys through like what exactly I did to make X amount of money, please comment with deeds, right? So DE